play the bargains. See you make you wake you to cry, you say hello. Do you want to sing the song we sang together? I take care of myself first. I go where there's nothing. No social media, no nothing. I listen to my soul, my feelings. I pray, I seek help. Go drink water. When are you? No, I'm tired. Do you think August is near? Yeah, we're literally in April. April is abirangiye twinjire muri May. May nirangira. June, July. Dufite amezi abiri. Describe your childhood in one word. Beautiful. I don't know. Can you please tell me to what can you advise someone who just started a business? Sweetheart, you need to market your business from niba ngombwa abantu baza kuko I'm pretty sure ko utangiye ku marketing ikintu niba abantu bakurira bazi ahantu bashobora kugikura ariko harimo nabonye trusting cyangwa market your business, have faith in whatever you're doing kandi nasi bya King James kutabisubije kandi nabwiye ko ndi ready kujya muri concert King James. How ready are you? Mwe mwajanga ndavuga ese namuhura na Michael cyangwa kubwira ko ukunda wimvise cyangwa wahise ubanza kwihagararaho. Tujye kumbaza ibibazo byo kwandika muri news. Have you met with I've met with them. Describe Michael in 5 words. No way you're watching. It's got ice over telephone. You really want to hear how I describe you in 5 words? Okay. How do I describe Michael in 5 words? Caring, protective, funny, is working hard thingy. He works out really hard. And then the 5th one is loving. Describe me in 5 words. Another day. What's this I like about your personality? What's this thing that I like? How can I get your new book? Do you have a best friend, not your husband? My sisters are my besties. I also have another close friend of mine, Eliza and Grace. I don't know if you guys know Eliza and Grace. And Negrita as well. And just I'm with the best friends with us. Okay, guys. Should I go? Babe, you know they heard you. They're saying another day. Everybody's just laughing. Another day, another day.
Private.
You're private. Don't beg me. Stop it. Don't beg me. Okay, say no if you guys don't want me to leave. Let me see. Don't beg me. Please stay. Don't beg me. Oh, there's a lot of no's. Oh my God. Thank you guys. Okay. All right. I'm staying. You know, lashes and let me remove it. This is so wrong. If you insist, I can defend you. Niki wabwira akuyinindire kumbaza ibibazo nkaho opa nicyo yabwira abana b'abakobwa bari kuza ku mbuga nkoranyambaga mu buryo budakwiye according to experience. shushu mukuri mubireke ibyo bintu byo kuza ngo for the likes like urayibona ariko your reputation matters. Ama like urayabona pe ariko your reputation really matters. Mwatuzaniye Brenda nawe Brenda sari hehesha Brenda kugira ngo uzamubone no gusaba. My fiance knows Michael from Canada. They've been friends. He's also Eritrean. Girl, let me stalk you. For real. Isn't that crazy? Naomi, how much is your Canon camera? The one I take a picture with, how much was it? 1.7, because he gave me a discount. It was 1.8. Ken is the G7. It was 1.8. He gave me a discount. I paid 1.750. How is Michael? He's doing good. He's working out. It's Naomi. Arukubanza. Let me be. Would you move again? Go. Brenda has to sign a letter of approval for her to come here. She would never. Where's Pamela? Pamela's doing good. Yeah, but like, don't ask me those type of video. Let me be. Cool. Fabrice Shushu. Is the Canon Mark II 3? Mark 3. So Mark 3 ifata neza amafoto na video. Is someone recording, guys? Please don't record me. That's why I don't like to answer some of these questions. Hey love, when did you purchase your book? Munich. Goodbye. I'm starting to be annoyed. I'm starting to become annoyed, and if I answer, it's gonna be bad. And I don't want to trend saying some bad words. I don't want to trend. Harabanu. I see their comments. Actually, let me block them, right? What's your opinion about forgiving and apologizing in relationships and marriage? I feel like it's a bold move, honestly, because if you want to keep a relationship, any type of relationship, it doesn't even have to be marriage. It can be like, you know, but if you don't really take accountability, you admit it's wrong, there's no way you're going to keep that type of relationship. It was good to have you, but you look... Confirm. Thank you. I don't usually block, but I have to. Tell us your top 5 gospel music. You want to spend time with me? You want me to leave the live? Yeah, no. Michael, that was very cute to say yes.
But if they want you to stay.
No, but they're asking me inappropriate questions that...
So then,
ukunda kurya iki mashari nkunda kurya ifiti ntago umuntu ukungana ndo uriya matama nyamuka gusya siporo let me every morning do you hear where do you get your bundles? Is there bundles shady? Isn't it menshi sanzwe nuko nyifata neza I just treat it nicely. The necklace is so beautiful. Thank you from Melalux. I bought it from Melalux. Look. I think we should check out no joining. Let me. Yes, man, I should do no. Even if man. When you move, I gotta.